In our loss, in our pain, in our confusion, it is very tempting and very common for the human heart to ask the question, why? Why is this happening? Why is it going like this? In fact, I am sure that's underneath the surface with everybody we've dealt with inside of this chapter. Why didn't you come and heal my brother? But here's one of the things we learn in the story of Lazarus. Answering why is hard, if not often impossible. Answering who is easy. That's what Jesus does. I'm answering your questions with, who do I pay attention to? Lazarus was given back to his family on that day. At some point in the future, Lazarus dies again. So when he dies again, where are we going to put our hope? What are we going to believe? What are we going to do? We've learned something about Jesus. Will we hang on to it? Some point in the future, he dies again. His first resurrection acts like a guarantee of his second. He belonged to God. Christ in his grace and power brought him back to his family. But guess what? Lazarus is with Jesus and he is alive and well. So are Mary and Martha and the rest of those disciples. Because this is life in Jesus Christ. This is what it means. Though you die, yet shall you live.